In this video, I'll show you how to create a smooth nail gradient using a sponge. I'll take you through the process step by step and share a few simple tips to help you get the perfect blend. Choose 3 colors that are similar in tone, but still different enough to create a visible gradient. This will help the colors blend smoothly into each other and create a soft and even result. Use a special nail gradient sponge. Start by applying the lightest shade of green directly to the nail. This will create a nice base for the gradient and help the other shades blend smoothly into the design. Cure the gel polish under the lamp for 60 seconds before moving on to the next step. Apply a second layer of the light green gel polish. This will make the color more even and opaque, creating the perfect base for the gradient effect. Cure the second layer under the lamp again, this time for 60 seconds, to make sure the gel polish is fully cured before moving on to the gradient. Now, use your nail to measure the right size on the sponge. This will show you exactly how much space you need for the gradient, so you know where to apply each color. Start by applying the lightest shade, the same color that's already on the nail, to the sponge. Then add the other shades next to it, working from light to dark to create the gradient. Gently dab the sponge onto the nail using a light tapping motion. Keep dabbing over the same area to slowly build up the colors and blend the different shades together into a smooth gradient. Before curing the gel, use an alcohol pad to carefully remove any gel polish that has transferred onto the skin around your nail. Make sure to clean it off before placing your hand under the lamp, otherwise the gel will cure onto your skin. Reapply all 3 colors to the sponge in the same order, working from the lightest shade to the darkest. This will help you build up the gradient and make the colors more vibrant. Gently dab the sponge onto the nail again, using the same light tapping motion. Go over the entire gradient a few times to build up the colors and make the transition between each shade look even smoother. Apply one final layer of the gradient. I applied 3 layers in total, which helps build up the colors and makes the transition between each shade smoother and more even. Working in thin layers also gives you more control over the gradient, so the colors blend beautifully without losing their intensity. Cure the final layer under the lamp to fully set the gradient before moving on to the finishing step. Now it's time for the top coat. I chose a top coat with subtle golden glitter, which adds some extra shine and a playful finishing touch to the gradient design. And this is the final result. The three shades blend beautifully into each other, creating a soft and even gradient. The subtle golden glitter adds the perfect finishing touch and gives the design just a little extra sparkle. I hope you enjoyed learning how to create a smooth sponge gradient. Another How to Work with video will be coming soon, so stay tuned. If there's a nail art technique or product you'd like me to cover next, feel free to leave your suggestions in the comments. I'd love to hear what you want to see next.